So what is everybody doing when they're quarantined? I'll tell you what everyone's doing. They're making this drink called Dalgona. This drink is so popular right now on social media. Everybody and their mamas is making it. It's just simply using instant coffee granules, hot water. Mix it with some sugar. You whip it up until it becomes this nice thick consistency. Pour it over a cup of milk and it becomes this nice coffee, fancy coffee drink. So come on guys, let's get to it and let's make Dalgona. Today we are going to be using my stand-up mixer, my wonderful KingJeyyy. Yes, you can use your own hand mixer or your whisk and whisk it yourself in a bowl, but let me tell you what, I tried that last time. It didn't come out the consistency I wanted, so today I'm gonna use a freaking mixer. So what goes in here, guys? Simple. It's a 1:1 ratio. 1 part coffee granulars. Okay. 1 part sugar, azúcar. In Lao, we call it namtan. Okay. And then 1 part boiling hot water. Boom. I'm gonna make sure I mix everything in there. Get it all combined and incorporated. Now time to put in the whisk. Set, lock, and turn. Just let it do its thing. Look guys, it's getting a little bit lighter in color. That means more air is incorporating into it. We got some speedy mixer here. I'm turning it up to the highest level. Alright guys, I'm actually going to take a spatula in and just try to scrape down that bowl. Just to make sure all the coffee granulars are on the sides have been incorporated. This took maybe 2 minutes to get here, maybe 3. A quarter or a very tiny pinch of salt there, guys. I know it sounds weird, but hey, salt brings out the flavor of sweetness, right? And let's finish it up. All right, I think I whipped it until it can't be whipped anymore, guys. Ooh, it smells so good. The aroma is just amazing. I can smell coffee and that nice, beautiful coffee smell. I'm not a good describer, so work with me here, guys. Work with me. Yes, I cheated by using a stand-up mixer, but let me tell you what, the last time I did this, I used 2 forks. I didn't have a whisk, I didn't have nothing. And it took me forever. My arms got tired. So if y'all got a stand-up mixer, make sure y'all do it, okay? Use a stand-up mixer. Look at this, guys. Woo! Look at that beautiful stiff peaks. Look at that. Do you guys see that? This is instant coffee foam made from coffee granulars and sugar. A dash of salt. And hot water. Oh, guys. It smells so good. Let's assemble our glass of milk and ice. All right, guys, let's put this Dalgona together. We got here a nice tall glass. I'm gonna fill it up with some ice. Don't put ice all the way to the rim, guys. We wanna make sure we leave nice ample room for the Dalgona foam. So I'm gonna fill it up, let's say 3/4 of the way. Maybe extra, I do like a lot of ice. And then we're gonna pour some milk in there. Use whatever kind of milk you want. Almond milk. You like skim milk, whole milk, half and half. This is 2% fat milk. Fill it all the way up to the top of that ice right there. Remember, leave that space for the Dalgona foam. Dalgona. And then we're gonna come in here, scoop in some of this beautiful Dalgona See that? Dalgona. Scoop it in. Ah, got it in the glass. Look at that. Nice Dalgona foam. We're gonna give it a little swirly swirly on top. Let's give this sucker a try. Look at that nice, pretty, milky coffee color. Ooh, it's so good. I really don't know why people don't just mix the coffee grain and the milk and all that stuff together, but this makes it fun. Ooh. It makes a lot of difference when you add a little bit of salt, just the tiniest bit of salt, because it makes it more sweeter and gives it more full body coffee taste. And you know, it just makes it richer and creamier. So make sure you guys add a little bit of salt. Dalgona. And make sure you guys use good quality or decent quality instant coffee. This is Folgers, they're reputable. Dalgona. All right, guys, I'm gonna finish this. Peace. See you guys later.